Did you fly toys?
Hey, Phoebe! Yes, Skye, what is it? You know what would be so much fun? What? Playing with a cash register, like we work at the grocery store. Oh, that would be a lot of fun. Hey, Fizzy! We need some Fizzy magic. One cash register coming right up. Fizzy, wizzy, bubbzy, bop. Hooray! Let's have fun with this cash register. Miss Hands, let's open it up.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Hands here at Fizzy Fun Toys. And let's open up this super cool cash register.
Pushing the cart, here we go. Now that everything is out of the box, we need to set up the grocery store. Miss Hands, can you help me?
Yes, I can, Skye.
Hooray!
We'll get started with the produce department. Here we see lots of different kinds of fruits. There are red apples, orange oranges, pineapples and yellow bananas, and green watermelons. We also see different kinds of breads and rolls in the bakery. Time for the vegetables. We can also find these in the produce section. There's green broccoli, yellow and green bell peppers, purple eggplant, and white onions. And over here, we see part of the bakery too. There are pretzels, croissants, and cookies. And look at those yummy desserts. What we need to do is put these two sections together.
Now it's time to stock some of the shelves. This is going to be fun.
Looks like there's a tomato sale today. Let's put our sign in here and roll our cart over. Here's a tomato, and this tomato is red. Here's another red tomato. We have 2 red tomatoes. Before tomatoes turn red, they are green. And we have 2 green tomatoes. Did you know that not all ripe tomatoes are red? Some tomatoes, when they're ripe, are yellow. We have 1 yellow tomato. It looks like we have bread right here. Let's put it in this basket. We'll put it in front of the bakery and let everyone know there's a sale today. We have 1, 2, 3 loaves of bread. We have 1 container of sausage and 2 jars of jam, strawberry and blueberry. We also have soybean milk. We have 2 containers. We also have 1 big green pear. We have a big green shopping cart and a brown basket.
It's time to go shopping. I think I would like some tomatoes in my cart. 1 red, 1 green, and 1 yellow. Oh, I love pears. I'm going to get that big green pear. Delicious. And what else did I need? Oh, I need some bread. A big loaf of bread. Thanks for the hand, Miss Hands.
No problem, Skye.
Let's see here. Oh, jam. I love strawberry jam.
Here you go, Skye. Do you need any soybean milk?
Yes, 1 container, please.
Okay, here you go.
Now I'm ready to check out. Oh, hi, Phoebe. I'm ready to check out. Okay, let's put your groceries on the register's belt, and then I'll ring you right up.
We have 1 jam and 1 soy milk. We have 1 loaf of bread and 1 yellow tomato. We have 1 green tomato and 1 red tomato. And we have 1 big green pear.
Okay, Skye, let me just ring up your total.
Let's look at the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100, and 1,000.
So how much do I owe you? Your grand total is $12.50.
Okay, here's $13.
The total cost was $12.50, and I got $13. How much do I need to give Skye? 50 cents, that's right. Do you see 50 cents? There it is right there, 50. Thanks for my yummy groceries. See you later. Time for Fizzy to go grocery shopping. Oh, I would like some tomatoes, a pear, some bread, jam, oh, and some soybean milk. Miss Hands, can you help me?
Sure, Fizzy. We have 1 red tomato, 1 green tomato, and 1 yellow tomato. Over here we have a green pear.
Don't forget about the bread. 1 big loaf of bread, please.
Okay, Fizzy, 1 big loaf of bread.
And over there is where I find the jam and my soybean milk.
That's right, Fizzy. Here's 1 jar of strawberry jam and 1 container of soybean milk.
Hooray! Now it's time for me to check out. Oh, look! Phoebe's working at the cash register. Oh, hi, Fizzy. Are you all done shopping? Yes, I am. Okay, I'll ring you right up.
Here's our jam and our soybean milk. We have 1, 2, 3 different kinds of tomatoes. One loaf of bread. And 1 green pear.
Okay, Phoebe, how much do I owe you? Your grand total is $12.50. Okay, here's $13. Okay, so the change you should get, let me calculate this. $13 minus $12.50 is 50 cents. Let me get you your 50 cents. Great. Now it's time for Phoebe to go grocery shopping. Hooray! Let's see. I'm going to get things I can eat for breakfast. So I would like to get sausage, a pear, 2 loaves of bread, strawberry and blueberry jam, and 2 containers of soybean milk. Miss Hands, can you help me?
Okay, Phoebe. We have sausage, a pear, 1, 2 loaves of bread, strawberry jam, and blueberry jam, and 2 containers of soybean milk. Phoebe, that's a lot of food. You must be hungry.
I sure am. Now time to check out. Here we go. Wow, Phoebe, it looks like you bought almost the whole store. You must be very hungry. Okay, let me help you check out. Thank you, Fizzy.
We have 2 containers of soybean milk, 2 containers of jam, 1 loaf of bread, and the second loaf of bread. One sausage, and 1 big green pear.
Okay, Fizzy, how much does it cost? That will be $15. Okay, here's $20. Okay, $20 minus $15 is $5. Let me get your change. So $5 is 500. Do you see 500? Yes, there it is. Okay, Phoebe, you have your change, and now enjoy your food. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.